Come with me and let's put this outdoor table together. It's a 7-foot table made all with pressure treated wood. And mainly I use just a drill and a hammer. That's all I use, and maybe one other thing. And I use some lag screws, not bolts. This is the page I got my ideas from.
25 inches.
28.
I was just kidding. I was seeing if you were paying attention.
Alright, this is the part where I cut some 4x4s down. I cut them down to 30 inches a piece, so I needed just 4 for each leg. And these are 2x4s pressure treated to the same measurement. And you're gonna see me cut, I don't know, roughly around 6 of them down, 6 or 8, I don't know, remember. I think it was 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I don't know, that many down that you see on the video. Can you see my face?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so you gotta pre-drill these blocks, these little blocks what I have, because the grain goes right here. That's the layers of the tree. So if you try to go in between these layers, it's way prone to split. So I'm gonna line these up and pre-drill all of them first. Alright, this one I'm pre-drilling with an 1/8 inch drill bit before I screw the screws in to reduce splitting. Alright, and on this part I think I'm using 3-inch screws, or it might be 3.5, one of the two, to screw all my wood together so I have enough bite to the 4x4, so it can have enough bracing going through. Then later on you'll see me use lag bolts on the ends to provide more structural strength. Now let's work on the tabletop. So the top pieces I'm going to cut at 7 feet 3 inches to account for the edges of the other side of the 2x4, which is 1.5, so to make it 3. And then the other pieces are going to be at exactly 4 feet the width of the table that I'm planning on making. And now I'm going to mark my middle pieces at exactly, I think, around 28 inches, just to provide middle support for the table. These are 1x6 boards that I cut all down to 84.5 inches long, so I can have a little bit of overhang for my waterfall edge. And here's the final reveal. So I'm gonna have all the list of materials and prices in the description below or on the video. So just look for that. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share the video because I'm gonna be posting a whole lot more videos coming soon. Camera.
That stupid box is ruining my table.
You think so?
But you look fine. Like, what's it adding?
Christmas.
But yeah, it looks fine. You want me to push a button?
No, it's already recording, right?
I don't know.
I think I pushed record already.
Yeah.
Because I'm doing poses right now.
Nope. Put it down.
Want to learn how to make this 7-foot table? Want to learn how to DIY this table? Not that one. Want to learn how to outdoor? Want to learn how to do this outdoor? Want to learn how to DIY your own outdoor table? I'll show you how. Stay tuned. Is that better?
Yeah.
Want to learn how to DIY your own outdoor table? Stay tuned. Learned it from Uncle. Not gonna say his name. Hey, how's it going? Want to learn how to do this outdoor table, DIY style? Stay tuned. Flipping Realtor here.
You should say, why spend $1,500 when you could do it yourself for $150?
Why spend $1,500 on a table like this when you could DIY yourself for $150? Let's get it. Learn how to do this. I spent $1,500. Why spend $2,000 for the table? Why spend $2,000 for the table when you could DIY yourself for $150? I'll show you how. Stay tuned. Why are you laughing in the background so much?